Welcome back everybody. I have been gifted two of these heavily stained bottles by my chemistry teacher. They would have been thrown away because they were not able to clean them and therefore I was able to get them for free. So, what was contained within these bottles was potassium permanganate solution. Therefore, we could say that this stuff is manganese dioxide. We are going to clean them, and manganese dioxide dissolves rather well in hydrochloric acid, but if you look closely, all of this doesn't look just like manganese dioxide, but also like some other residue that is unknown to us. So let's start. For cleaning these bottles, we are going to use ethanol, hydrochloric acid, soap, and also distilled water. We start off by adding a few milliliters of distilled water. The distilled water is then followed by some concentrated hydrochloric acid. A few drops of soap are added. The flask is stoppered up. We shake up the flask and you can immediately see that much of the brown stuff dissolves immediately. The reason that the brown stains dissolve is that manganese dioxide reacts with hydrochloric acid to form manganese chloride and also a little bit of chlorine gas. Another problem we encountered was that there was also residue on the stopper. This problem was easily solved. The bottle was turned upside down, the stopper was opened a little bit, and we just rotated the bottle. The ground glass joint was pretty clear after a few seconds. The flask contains manganese. Manganese is a heavy metal. Therefore the contents have to be disposed of into a heavy metal waste container. Using distilled water, the flask was rinsed out. There was still some stuff that looked like glue on the walls of the glass. Therefore we added ethanol. The flask was shaken up again and residue dissolved. In the end, it was just rinsed out a few times with distilled water to get rid of the ethanol. So in the end, we were left with a nice and clean bottle. If you like this video, feel free to give me one of these and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this in the future. I wish all of you a nice day. Until next time. Bye.